All right, got a little hot topic today. We're going to talk about grease for Can-Am primary clutches. Before we get started, Hunterworks belt, best on the planet. Can-Am applications. We have Can-Am applications for all of the newer models, ATVs, Outlanders, X3s, Sports Trails, you name it. We got a belt for it. Check them out. Social media. We've always had a Facebook account. Hunter, my son, just started work here. Have a new Instagram account called @HunterWorks1. Check us out there. And speaking of checking us out, make sure you subscribe, like, ring the bell down here in the top bottom left-hand corner, probably your bottom right on your screen. Click it so you'll be subscribed to us, what we're doing here on YouTube. Grease. Talking about grease. All greases are not created equal. Can-Am chose a specific grease for use in these one-way bearing assemblies in a primary clutch for a reason. I can promise you this is not a cheap grease. The name of the grease, it's a mouthful, Kluber's IsoFlex NB52. They chose it for a very specific reason. However, this grease is not grease. You cannot mix greases. We have an excavator. We use grease to grease things, and you can't mix grease because it'll work against each other. So you can't go adding some other grease in with this in there. But it's an expensive grease. As today's date, visit us on our website for 30 bucks for 1 ounce of it. Problem is, it's very expensive stuff and you can't hardly find small amounts, and that's why we're offering it, because we want you to use the proper grease. That's a big thing for us around here, is doing things the correct way, using the correct stuff for the correct reasons. The grease is special for several reasons. It has what's called a barium soap thickener in it. And this barium soap thickener propels water or repels water, keeps it out. And we're all in the water and the dirt, and it helps keep it out of the clutch. It's very slick, very, very slick. Matter of fact, if you do a little Googling on this particular grease, you'll find it in racing bicycle wheel bearings because it is so slick. So we're offering on our website. It is the service manual required grease for the bearings, and we just want to make sure that you are using the correct grease and you know about it. I didn't know about it until I read the service manual. We got it. Do it right here at Hunterworks. All right, now back to make sure you check our belt out, do the social media deal, subscribe, like, ring the bell. Got questions? Send me an email, todd@hunterworks.com, and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you.